Yes, once again, here is John's to show you how to use it. For those who are asking that what's the use of this, there is the oxygen sensor exhaust over there, this one. All right, then the purpose of this slot is to free the wire, because as you can see the wire is there, so I need to remove that sensor wire connector, and then I'll put it. See, this is the slot and this is it. So that's the purpose. The thing is, I don't have the ratchet, so I need to buy the ratchet first before I remove. So that's the main purpose of that, as you can see. So the slot is to free, we cannot see it here, but it's clear that the wire is free from that socket. All right, that's the main purpose of this slot. So for now I cannot remove because I don't have the ratchet. So that's the use of this slot. Oh, very nice fabrication. Thank you, that's all.